Spotify has officially taken steps to enter the world of free TV streaming, and we're here for it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. The music streaming giant Spotify just announced a partnership with Samsung TV Plus, and now it's ready to bring its podcast network, The Ringer, straight to your Samsung Smart TV. Don't expect concert clips or curated playlists, because Spotify's skipping all that and jumping headfirst into the booming world of video podcasts. The new channel is built on the FAST model, which means there won't be any ads, and it'll serve up a 24/7 loop of The Ringer's most popular shows, all for free. That means fans can binge cult favorites like The Rewatchables, Higher Learning with Van Lathan and Rachel Lindsay, and House of R, diving deep into iconic fictional worlds like Star Wars and Game of Thrones. Although the Bill Simmons podcast isn't on the list just yet, but the lineup already looks promising, filled with sports, pop culture, and film talk. It's all part of Spotify's 2025 plan to become more than just a music app. From its new audio mixing tool that rivals Apple Music to the much-awaited launch of Spotify Lossless, the platform is expanding in every direction. Spotify's not just stopping with Samsung, it's also teaming up with Netflix in 2026 to bring its video podcast there as well. As the real TV watching is becoming a myth now, and music channels like MTV are disappearing, Spotify's entry in the living rooms could be just what fans needed. So, which podcast are you playing first? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.